President rangbah jong Seng NPP Conrad Sangma ulong nongkyrshan Seng bakimde Tieng satia jingbyrngem juga Hnlc namar nongialam don ryngkat barki. Conrad ulong ru baka jingbyrngem hukum kene kapor balong election kalong bahab an pej baha.
See, in this regards, it is a matter that the department, the Home Police Department, will deal with the matter in terms of the investigation and the proper action to be taken. So we'll leave that to the Home Department and the police to take the necessary action, and necessary orders have been given to them to investigate and take necessary action in this regards. That's number one. But obviously, as a political party, it is something that we are not very we're not very happy about this entire process, this entire incident, and we've been very clear. Deputy CM and myself have made it clear that this is not the kind of things that should be in politics, and we condemn this kind of act that has been done, and we want to tell the people of the supporters of the NPP that there's nothing to fear. As a party, we're always there with them, and even as a Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and all the ministers also are with them. Today also you saw that our party leaders have come in full strength. All our MDCs, all our MLAs, all our party leaders are here. So therefore this kind of threat has not deterred us at all, and we are confident that even in this election there may be a timing. The reason why they've come out with this kind of statement just before the joining and just before the election is also something that one has to see what is the political angle of things. But this will not deter us, and we will ensure that we work even harder now to make sure that in this election we come out successful.